Technically the battery is down. Now I have to jump start the bike. Jump starting a bike is pretty easy. Just connect our battery to a fully charged or a new battery. Positive to the positive and negative to the negative. And just have a crank. It will definitely start up. My battery has been down for quite a long time. I have not been using. So I have to literally jump start the bike. Yeah, I just jump started a bike after a few trials, and now the main issue is like it has an AHO feature, automatic headlights on. I have to keep a switch for it. That is the main reason the battery won't pull up in the initial first start. Now I have to keep it running for about 10 to 20 minutes for the battery to get fully charged. But if you plan on going for long rides, this is not a solution. You have to definitely replace the battery. The battery costs around 2000 rupees. I have to change it in time. So now I have no plans, riding plans, nothing up the sleeve. So just jump starting it and doing the same process.